If you want to create a professional email account using Namecheap CPanel, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can set up your email address quickly and correctly. This is a great option if you want a custom email like yourname@yourdomain.com, which looks more professional for business, branding, or personal use. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the Namecheap website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for your hosting products and click on Hosting List. This will show you all the hosting plans connected to your account. From there, find the hosting package that belongs to the domain you want to use, and then click Go to CPanel. This will open your CPanel dashboard, where you can manage everything related to your website and email settings. Now that you're inside CPanel, scroll down until you find the email section. This area contains all the tools you need to create and manage email addresses for your domain. Under the email section, click Email Accounts. This page is where you can view existing mailboxes, create new ones, and manage email settings for each account. Once the email accounts page loads, look for the plus Create button and click it. This starts the process of adding a new mailbox to your domain. Next, you'll need to select the domain you want to use for the email address. If you have more than one domain connected to your hosting account, make sure you choose the correct one. This is important because it determines the domain name that will appear after the @ symbol in your email address. After selecting the domain, enter the username for your email address. For example, you could type the info, support, hello, or your own name depending on how you want the email address to appear. Keep the username simple, easy to remember, and professional. The full email address will be created automatically based on the username and domain you selected. Now set a strong password for the mailbox. It's very important to use a secure password so your email account stays protected. Try to use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. If available, you can also use a password generator to create a stronger one instantly. Make sure to save this password somewhere safe because you'll need it later when signing into the mailbox. After that, double check everything one more time. Confirm the domain is correct, the username looks right, and the password has been entered properly. When you're ready, click plus Create to finish setting up the email account. CPanel will now create the mailbox for you, and in just a few moments, your new email address will be active and ready to use. And that's it. You've now created a new email account using Namecheap CPanel. From here, you can connect it to webmail, an email client, or even your phone so you can start sending and receiving messages right away. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with the next step, like logging into webmail or connecting your email to Outlook or Gmail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.